Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. Welcome to Skill Elevate. Let's have a look into the course curriculum of Agile Scrum Master Training Program. Agile is an iterative approach that builds software incrementally and iteratively from the start of the project instead of trying to deliver it all at once. Agile is a philosophy, but agility is a mindset. It's not a methodology. It incorporates set of best practices, tools and culture which allows business and the technology team collaborate closely to deliver working software in an incremental and iterative manner with a rapidly changing environment. By using time-boxed approach, it delivers working product increment frequently and incorporate user feedback to refine the product continuously. It is lightweight and encourages teamwork between a set of self-organized, empowered, cross-functional team to deliver high-quality software. Let's look at the course outline. First, we are going to talk about what is Agile, why Agile, and transition from waterfall to Agile methodology. We'll have a close look of brief history of project management and Agile project management, different life cycle selections, SDLC models, and predictive versus adaptive software development, incremental and iterative. Also, we'll see how both of them combines agile model together. We'll brief about iron triangle and also why agile, benefits of agile. There are different types of agile methodologies and the industry standards are being used currently. Then we'll spoke about agile values, principles and mindsets. Here we're going to tell origin of Scrum, brief history of Scrum, the Agile Manifesto, Agile values and principles, and the DOI, Declaration of Interdependence. Then we'll work on the product backlog. So what is a product backlog? And we'll talk about various product backlog concepts, deep, invest principles. We'll take a look at epic user story writing. Also, we'll discuss about the backlog hierarchy and also user story best practices, types of user stories, which followed by various type of games and activities. Then let's focus on the backlog prioritizations or ordering. We'll identify what is the difference between prioritization and ordering. Various prioritization techniques like Moscow $100 technique, stack ranking, Kano model, or many more, followed by many games and activities. Once the backlog is done, we'll look at how to refine the product backlog, how to split that up. So we'll see the various process of splitting the requirement, also process flow diagram, crude, major effect. There are various kind of many more splitting techniques we'll understand. We'll identify the KPIs for a Scrum Masters, team members, product owners, or the stakeholders. Also, it followed by various games and activities. Once the backlog refinement is done, we'll look at it how to accept that product. What are the different acceptance criteria? We'll talk about definition ready, also definition of done for user story sprint or for the releases. We'll also split up user story from acceptance criteria, which is behavioral different development, followed by various activities. Close look of agile estimations. We'll understand various type of estimation techniques like t-shirt sizing, story points, and also we'll look at planning poker game. We'll identify the absolute ask estimations versus story points estimations, also various games and activities on the estimation techniques. We'll look at planning, and why planning fails. What are the causes of planning failure? So we'll look at 5 levels of agile planning. We'll also identify importance of planning for a successful agile delivery. Also we'll look at what is agile scrum, a detailed deep dive into the scrum process, We'll identify roles, different artifacts and events like sprint, release planning, and also retrospective, etc. We'll find out different reportings and analytics which are needed for a scrum master or for the management in a competitive agile environment. This process altogether have various games and loads of activities. End of that, we'll have a product demo into the Jira software where a live demo will be given with a real project scenario, how to simulate a Scrum process, also a short description of the Kanban process in Jira software. We'll understand different type of agile Scrum quiz to test your learning. Also, end of the day, we'll be sharing various kind of references, books, or different outlines which helps you for your further learning into agile. That's all. Thanks for reaching to us. If you have any further training need or any information required, you can reach out to us at info@skillelevate.com or info@important.com. Also, you can visit our website or contact us through desk number or mobile number or WhatsApp any point of time. Thank you.